Wheat germ extract is a natural supplement made from the germ of the wheat kernel. It is rich in vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and other nutrients that are essential for good health. It contains high levels of spermidine, a compound that is involved in many crucial functions such as cell growth, cell death, and gene expression. It is believed that spermidine helps protect against some diseases and provides anti-aging effects. Wheat germ extract has also been shown to be beneficial in helping regulate cholesterol levels and blood pressure.